Okay, so guys, we'll be doing coiling hair today. So the hair that we are going to use this Brazilian wool. You can get it in any beauty shop. So this is the scissors that we're using to separate it. This is the wool that I'm using. Okay, so you have to gently pull it out. Gently, so that the wool will not scatter. We gently pull it out. I have 1.5 packet. You can use 2-3 packets, as many as you want. Okay, so after putting, I have to tie it. Look for something that will hold it for me. Okay, guys. So this is it. I have to start rolling it. Yes. Okay, from top to down. I'll continue doing it like that. I will roll it from up to down, up to down, up to down. I'm separating it from the bunk like that. Okay, I'm separating it like that. Okay, I'm separating it. Yes. Okay, so this is it. I've finished. So I've been needing my scissors to separate it from that circle. Okay, yes, I'll now cut it into two to give me that shape one that I want. So I separated it. Okay, so this is the what I'll be using. Actually, I use a three strands to do it. You can use 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want it tiny coiling ones, like a noodle shape. That is Indomie shape. That's what I'm be using. This is it. Three strands. So I have to create a knot because I'll be using it for crochet. Look at it, and I'll create a knot. Look at it. Look at this. So that shape. I have another one strand that we use to twist it. This is the strand. Okay. So at the beginning, hold it tight so that the hair will not pull. After that, you have to lose your hand to give space, more space. Don't do it tight again so I can able to pull back to give you that coiling shape you want. So you have to as you are rolling it, when you get to an extent, you pull it back. So I'm continuing rolling it. Okay, I'm rolling it now. I'll be rolling it like that till the end. So when I get to a point, I have to pull it back because the thread is long. Look at it. You'll be rolling it, twisting it like that. You'll be rolling and twisting it. Okay, guys, this is it. Focus your eyes so that you see the hem, and I pull it back again. Focus your eyes, guys, so that you're able to see what I'm doing. Continue rolling it like that. Till the end. Okay, so you pull back again. I can have more space. You don't roll it tight to give space. So I can able to pull back to give you that shape. When it's too tight, you cannot pull it back. So you have to free your hand a little bit. Okay, so I now pull it back. I'll continue rolling it. So now when I get to the end of it, I have to create a knot to hold it. This is the knot I'm creating now 2 times. So that when I put inside hot water, it will not lose. Look at this. Look at the hair. So I'll now take another strands again. 3 strands I'll be using. So I'll now take it again. 3. You can use as many as you want. Depend on how big you want it to look like. So look at it. I'll now create another knot to hold it. Look at it. Yes. I have to draw it gently. Don't make it too tight so that you can be able to use to crochet. Okay, so this is it. I have another strand that I'll be using to roll it. I'll continue rolling it. Okay, this to create a knot from the beginning tight to hold it before you start losing your hand. You start giving gap. Yes, you continue like that. Continue rolling it. Okay, you continue rolling it. When you roll to an extent, you pull back. Okay, now pull it back to give me that shape that I want. Okay, I'll continue rolling it again. All right, guys, continue doing that. Look at, I'm giving space. Look at the way I'm giving space so I can be able to pull it back. Without giving space, you cannot pull it back. You cannot make it tight. So you have to pull back again. Yes. Continue like that. Continue pull it back. Okay. You roll it again. This is how you roll the hair. Continue till the end of it. Okay. When you get to the end, I have to pull back again. Yes, I pull back again. And I have to create that knot to hold it tight. Yes, guys. So this is it. Okay. You pull back. You pull back. That is it. Okay. This is it. So this is it. Look at how coiling it is already. Look at it. Look at it. So this is how you do it. Look at it. Okay, now so before my hot water is ready, so I poured it inside bowl. I added the conditioner inside the bone. Look at it. I'm making sure that the air sinks very well inside. I'll now add more hot water on top. Look at it. You must make your water to be boiled so that the thing will coil. I'm making sure that everything is already sinked inside the water. Look at it. You leave it and you allow it to dry. You bring out, use towel to towel it. Guys, look at it. Okay, so look at the end of it. I've already pulled them out already, separated them. Look at the head. So this is how to separate it. You gently, but don't worry because it's not like attachment that's pulled. The coin remain like that. Look at it. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at how the hair is bouncing. Look at how this wool is bouncing. This is how to separate it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at how it's bouncing. Wow. Look at how it's bouncing. Look. You can use it to do any hair choice. Any of your ponytails, you can use it. Guys, look at it. Guys, thank you for watching. Please share this video. More updates.